How to turn off Gboard full access on iPhone. So if you already granted your Gboard application or your Gboard keyboard full access on your iPhone, which allows the developer to transmit whatever you type on your iPhone, including your street address, your credit card, your phone number, and I want to revoke the full access, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or turn off Gboard full access on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the Settings app. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down, locate Apps and click on it. So this is basically for our existing users. Then under the Apps page, locate Default Apps and then click on it. Now, once you click on Default Apps, scroll down the page, locate Keyboard. Since the Gboard application is a third-party keyboard on your iPhone, then you're going to have the Gboard under Keyboards, then click on it. Now, once you click on that, go ahead and click on Gboard under Keyboards. As you can see, I have the default keyboard, I have emoji keyboard, and I have the Gboard. Now, go ahead and click on the Gboard. Once you click on that, you see Allow Full Access Enabled. Now, to disable or turn off your Gboard full access, all you just need to do is go ahead and toggle this off, and after that you are good to go. So just hit the back button, and then when next you use the Gboard app on your phone, the full access will be revoked, and whatever you type or you must have typed to the keyboard will not be transmitted to the developer. So that is basically how to disable or turn off Gboard full access on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.